All right. We also discussed about regions and availability zones day before yesterday. So what is a region? A region is the geographical location on the world map. Like we have Mumbai. I told you there are 16 regions all across the world, including
Okay.
China, Singapore, Australia. So I told you this website that is
Mhm.
cloudping.info. Cloudping.info. So you just need to get to this website and you need to click on HTTP ping, right? Like I'm in New Delhi right now, and the nearest region to me is Mumbai with only 45 milliseconds latency. All right, so of course I will choose Mumbai. I will host my EC2 instances in Mumbai and all the AWS resources in Mumbai. But let us say if Mumbai, I do not want to go with Mumbai, then next possible thing would be Singapore with 98 milliseconds, which is nearest to me. If not,
Okay. So, Dheeraj,
yeah, Rajan.
so suppose like you gonna choose the Mumbai and or you wish to change just like you gonna Virginia, they're gonna charge more or what? It's gonna depend the charge for the connection or what?
Yeah, so choosing the region, like it depends on the real estate price. Like let us say I have Amazon has set up one data center in North Virginia. So the
Okay.
charges, the North Virginia is more expensive as compared to
Okay.
yeah, more expensive as compared to California or London is more expensive than Mumbai. So if you host a instance, there will be a little difference, like 2 cents here and there per hour, but there
Mm-hmm.
won't be much difference. Okay, the difference would not be very huge.
Okay, get you, get you.
Yeah.
It's depend upon the price. Okay, I get you.
Yeah, so everything is documented here. If you go to this website, that is aws.amazon.com/ec2, you will get all the information here. So we have it like EC2. So product details, pricing. If you want to check the pricing, just click on here and you want to check like you want to see on-demand pricing. That means so right now this is in Ohio. For T2.micro, it's gonna cost you 0.0116 per hour. But
Alright.
if you change to Mumbai, it's gonna cost you 0.0144 per hour. If you change to London, so let us in London it's gonna cost you 0.0132 per hour. If you change to any other European country like Ireland, it's gonna cost you $0.0126 per hour. So the prices fluctuate.
Okay, okay. So it depend upon the price.
Yeah, so you can choose the region depending on the latency, like how much latency it's gonna cost and things like that. So you can choose. At present, there are 16 regions. Okay, China is not available for you and me. It's not available for public outside China. It's only available for the Chinese public. Okay, and then GovCloud. What is GovCloud? It's available for the federal agencies like we have FBI or NASA or White House. It's
White
limited to
House.
that only. Okay.
This is like just like a federal agency.
Just like federal agencies, that's right. Okay, now so this is the world map. Like you can see, in India we have 2 data centers, in Singapore we have 2 data centers, Sydney 3, then we have 2 in Tokyo, 2 in Seoul, 2 in Beijing, and there are 5 or 6 now in North Virginia. So how do you check it? Like first of all, you log into your console. I'm in Mumbai region right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I go into EC2, and in EC2 you can scroll down and you will see there are 2 availability zones which are available in Mumbai. One is AP South 1A and other is AP South 1B. So 2 availability zones are there. Okay. Now let us say how many availability zones are there in North Virginia. So you go to North Virginia, and in North Virginia you have 6 data centers. So 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. Six
Oh,
data centers. Then
this is our.
yeah, you can choose any.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you go to London. So let us see how many in London. London we have around 2 data centers, if I'm not wrong. 2 or 3. Yeah, two. EU West 2A and 2B. Okay. So that is how it works. Then after that we discuss like what is the benefit of dividing the entire infrastructure into regions and availability zones.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then we also talked about the edge location. Edge location are the third party data centers like the one we have in India, which are owned by Tata and Reliance, big companies. And we have 3 edge locations in India right now. One is in New Delhi, Pune and Chennai. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if we talk about the world, there are 54 edge locations and 16 regions and close to like 46 availability zones, 46 data centers. Okay, so we will discuss about edge location in detail once we take up the topic on CloudFront.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean by the yes location?
Edge location is like, let us say you are sitting in United States, okay, and you want to access a website that is
Mm-hmm.
hosted in one of the servers in India, right?
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
you what you will do is you want to access that website. Now that
Mm-hmm.
website will have to travel all the way from India to United States, which will consume time. Let us say we
Oh,
want to save upon time. So what we will do, we will open one edge location near to your region, that is North Virginia. We will open one edge location there. Now the website content will be transferred from India to that edge location. Okay,
mm-hmm.
and it will be saved there permanently in the form of cache
Okay.
memory. And
Mm-hmm.
next time you ask for the same website, the request would not come to India, rather it would come to one of the edge locations in United States. So it will be like very less time.
Okay.
Right, so everything we will discuss in CloudFront. Okay, so you can see that in India we have 3 edge locations right now, in Pune, Chennai and New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Yeah, so there are around 54 edge locations right now.
Mm-hmm.
Then we talked about the various features of Amazon, like it is highly available, continuous. Then we talked about data residency. I gave you the example of McDonald's, like McDonald's is available in almost every state of the world. So we discussed all this. We have got the recording. Anytime you want to refer, just go to the recording.